FedEx, Netflix, Microsoft rise premarket, Smith & Wesson falls stocks in focus in premarket trade on Friday, June 24. Please refresh for updates. FedEx NYSE FDX inventory rose 2.6% after the transport giant mentioned higher quarterly earnings and issued a stronger than expected full-year forecast past due Thursday, after it cherry-picked profit-boosting deliveries amid softening worldwide demand for delivery. Netflix, Nasdaq, NFLX stock rose 1% after the streaming massive introduced it had laid off 300 personnel, or about 4% of its body of workers, within the second spherical of job cuts aimed toward lowering charges. Segan, Nasdaq, SGEN stock rose 3.5% after the Wall Street Journal stated that pharmaceutical large Merck NYSE, MRK, up 0.1%, is pushing ahead with a deal for the biotech, in what would be one among the biggest takeovers of the year. Microsoft, Nasdaq, MSFT stock rose 1% after Citigroup calls the software program Larga an LDQUO, top pick out an RDQUO, saying the worst of the sell-off in the zone is over. Smith & Wesson, Nasdaq, SWBI stock fell 1.5% after the gun manufacturer and RSQUO's fourth-quarter record showed a drop in annual revenue. The stock had posted sharp profits at some stage in the previous consultation after the U.S. Supreme Court installed the proper to hold firearms in New York, potentially a big market for the gun producer. Sarepta Therapeutics, Nasdaq, SRPT inventory fell 1.8% after the Food and Drug Administration suspended testing of the biotech and RSQUO's experimental muscular dystrophy at the back of an adverse reaction in clinical checking out. Sunoco NYSE, Sun stock rose 2.8% after Mizuho upgraded its stance on the electricity agency to an LSQUO, purchase an RSQUO, from an LSQUO, impartial and RSQUO, bringing up the employer and RSQUO's robust balance sheet.